Here's Nintendo Boy 3F here. And so, today, we have mega cool stuff. I'm finally using my Elgato. Sonic Adventure 2 Battle. Let's get started. I like this game a lot, so yeah. And I'm lucky that I don't have to use my laptop. It's terrible. So, let's delete this one. Okay, because I want to keep space. Yes, select the file. One player,
story select,
hero story, blah blah blah. Oh, shut up now.
Sigma Alpha 2 heading due south over the city. We're en route. Everything's a go.
This is Control Tower. We have you on radar. Report cargo status of captured Hedgehog aboard. Over.
That's a 10-4. Cargo secured on board and... What?
Didn't copy that.
Hedgehog is
Over.
gone. He's taken out everyone aboard and...
What's wrong?
What in the
Come
world?
in. Over.
Whoa!
Freeze! What do you think you're doing? Get that hedgehog!
Talk about low-budget flights, no food or movies. I'm out of here. I like money better.
This game has a great soundtrack. Everybody was like, so myself. Yeah! And you saw this already. Now maybe consider cutting out. But that'll always dub space. And I don't really feel like going to my computer and pausing. So let's do this.
attention all units. Suspect seen heading south.
Make sure not to hit any of the cars. Ow! Come on. You gotta follow my rainbow. You stick around, have to keep moving on. Guess what lies ahead? Only one. Oh, come on. Yeah, I like this game's soundtrack a lot. What's wrong with Sonic shoes? Ow, come on, I wasn't paying attention. So let's see, we've got rings, and now time for the ramp. Yeah! I jumped. In my defense, ow, yeah, die. I don't care about that trolley. And so since we don't have any bounce bracelet and something, oh, die. I'm not gonna be bouncing like in my tests. Because, yeah, I don't really care. So if you haven't caught on by now, I'm using the Xbox Live Marketplace. Well, you probably didn't because, muhaha, I cut out the beginning, so you'll never know. Don't make the same mistake. Whee! Oh, come on. Spin dash to win. So basically, it's like any Sonic game or platforming game you've ever played. Dang it. Oh, come on. Basically, you just press B or X to do an action like spin dash. Just hold that. Whee!
Here we go.
Oh yeah, I love it. Ow. Yeah, grinding. Oh yeah, grinding. Hey, Golden Beetle, worth 2,000 points. I just missed 2,000 points. Let his feet apart. Got places to go, got a fart in my mouth. I'm just really bored. Yeah, I feel a lot better. I was like twisted around so I could see the waveforms in my audio recording software. Yeah, so we just run it down. Oh my gosh! Speed! 1, 2, 3, yeah! 1, 2, 3, yeah! Come on. Wait, whoa. Yeah, we gotta get that Chowkey. If you get that, at the end of the level, if we beat it without getting a game over, hey, Oma Chow, you also press B or X to grab things, and then, come on, let me just use you as a weapon. Come on, oh yeah, just let me, that's all you're useful for. No, Sonic! Jeez, I didn't even press anything. That's my claim, my claim is gonna be the name of the video. SA2 Part 1. Whoa! Gotta go fast! Gotta go oh my gosh, I'm defying laws of physics. Defying the laws of gravity! No time for guessing, follow my plan instead. I have this whole song memorized in my brain. No, you die tonight. And as you can see in the top right corner, as I zoom in, I still have my Chow key, even though I died. I keep forgetting I can't use the bounce bracelet, which is an upgrade that you saw me use in my thing. Whatever. 1, 2, 3. Yeah! 10 rings. That's all we're gonna. Oh my gosh! A truck! Ah! We're gonna die! Spin dash to win, boy! Oh, come on. No! I'm too young to die. I'm only 11. No! It must be really loud for you guys. I'm sorry. Oh, it's big. The cat, the giant cat. Yeah, a giant cat. You think I would have gone somewhere with that joke, but no, it wasn't a joke. It was just a statement. I could have made it a joke, but no.
Barely.
E rank. Oh my. Yeah. Crud. I got an E rank on a level that I'm good at. And now we're in the Chow world. Continue. Yeah, now you know I'm on the Xbox version. And so we can just screw around to our heart's content. We could go here. Yeah, that was my first guess. Or you could go to the Chow kindergarten. There's nothing for you to do. Oh my gosh, what are these things? What are these eggs? What are eggs? What is the egg for? Sonic, stop pumping in a tree. And here we have what are called chows. Stop drowning. Stop drowning. Yeah. I sometimes accidentally throw them. That's not good because... Alright, I'll give you a chart. I'll put up a chart on screen if I can find one of what each one of what each color of these things called chaos drives do. I'll put a chart. I don't know. Yeah, you probably see the chart right now. Yeah, while I'm giving Chowies. Where'd Chow Mista go? Here, Chow Mista. Have another one. These are. I'm giving animals drugs. Yeah, how you like them apples? Ain't no child labor laws gonna stop me. Wait, those aren't child labor laws. They're just child laws. Nope. We don't need to know what that is at all. What the? Sonic, stop humping everything. And vocabularistics. Their vocabularistics ain't as advanced as mine. There's something I really hate about leaving because sometimes when I don't want to name my Chow and want to go to the Chow kindergarten, it'll...
This game of tag is boring. I'm out of here. Finally decided to show up, eh? Okay, bring it on.
Yeah, it's real. Even when I have a Chow and I go out, it doesn't get me to the menu thing. And usually you're gonna have to stand and wait on the ground, but no, I'm being cool and using the boxes. And look at my soap shoes. The shoes, they're made of soap. Yeah, I know I'm too cool for YouTube. Boom! Oh, I just bumped into the mic. That was like ear rapage. I'm sorry. I don't care about your ears. Die! You broke my box. I hate you forever. LOLs! Oh, come on. that wasn't fair. Why you no be fair? Oh my gosh, you are the worst shot ever. Yay! Why didn't you just try to use a forklift? You could have tried to use a forklift. If you guys are wondering what I'm talking about, you think I'm gone crazy.
What?
It all starts with this. A jewel containing the ultimate power.
That's the Chaos Emerald! Now I know what's going on. The military has mistaken me for the likes of you. So, where do you think you're going with that emerald? Say something, you fake hedgehog!
Chaos control!
Yeesh. Overkill. What I was about to say is, I'll put something right here that says 3, 2, 1.
They tried to kill me with a forklift. Huzzah!
Video. You can recommend them because it's You'll never know. Yeah, you'll never know how it ends until the next episode, Muhaha, which usually I would record the last part, but the next part right away. But no, Muhaha, you won't be able to see it ever. Muhaha. Now you get to leave. Goodbye. Cue the intro, outro, whatever. I don't have an outro yet.